Hey guys, Project Zero. I'm going to do my review on the Rocketfish keyboard. It is one of the only Bluetooth keyboards that I've seen that I've really liked. It's a very simple design. It actually resembles the same keys as my laptop here, almost exactly. It's basic stark white on the bottom. It's very thin. I'd have to say about an inch on the top and a quarter of an inch on the bottom for thickness because it varies in size. It's got to hold the batteries, which it takes 2 AA. I'll show you here. Just regular 2 AA batteries. And one thing I really do like is the grips and the elevated stands that it comes with. They're actually made out of rubber, and they grip very well, closed or open, because as you can see, closed. They are slightly raised, not even touching the plastic. Sorry, it was a little close there. But what you have to do is turn it on, push hard on the connect button, because it's kind of low if you have stubby fingers. The fish's eye will start blinking. You go up to Bluetooth stack. I am using the new Windows Vista Bluetooth, so it may look different from yours. The add wireless device. It's looking, it's looking, it's looking. Eventually it will find it. Here, hold on. Oops. Alright, here. Let's remove this device. I might actually be removing the software. I like the old stuff better because it was easier to connect my Wiimote. Alright, there's the keyboard. Connecting to device. It will say for a code for me to put in, so it is 4453346. Then you press enter. I'll continue to install. And that's it. I mean, this is like the easiest keyboard I've used to it, like wirelessly. So it gives full QWERTY keyboard. It's about the same basic size as my, well, the main board itself, same basic size as my laptop keyboard. Minus the arrow support and all that fun stuff. But it does have the number pad and your console over here, and a couple nice buttons, so I can actually lower and increase my volume. I haven't got any eject disc to work yet. There might be a driver online. I think it's for Mac only because this is a Mac and Windows keyboard. It's fully functional. In this review, I'm also going to include the micro Bluetooth dongle from, it is dealextreme.com. I got the keyboard off eBay. I don't have the link anymore. I don't think they sell it on eBay. The Pacific store doesn't have it just yet. And the standard, it's actually, the label was Microsoft Bluetooth mouse, but this one works whether it's made from Microsoft or not. It doesn't have very good power saving settings, but it did last me an entire month and a half of hardcore use before I had to actually charge the batteries. I haven't gotten to charging the batteries yet, but it works very nicely. As a group, I'd have to give this a 10 out of 10 because it is a decent price. I only spent about $50 total for the entire group. This is actually a $75 keyboard. I found it for $30 on eBay. This was $15, and this was $2, and after shipping and handling, it all made up to be about $50, which wasn't bad. The Bluetooth dongle can do multiple devices. I've had up to 6 things actually attached to it all at once, all working in sync with no problems. Right now I have my iPhone attached as well. I don't have any of the drivers to actually use it as a Bluetooth device on my computer. I would honestly love to use it for, say, like Skype, but there is already a program on the iPhone for Skype.